Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi A2 Lite, and let me show you how to activate developer panel on this device. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select about phone. You've got it at the top of the list, and here locate build number. So here it is. Now click on it 7 times, and as you can see, from now on you are a developer. You need to go back right now and scroll down. Here you will notice system, so smoothly click on it and then enroll advanced to see developer options. And now you can smoothly open developer options and use all of them. So just pick the feature that you would like to use, that you would like to activate, tap on it, and that's it. Whenever you would like to switch off some option, just make the indicator not active, and this is it. So that will be all. So you can activate, use, and also switch off right here, developer options. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.